You know, it sounds like something to eat, sounds like a fruit salad. So I was like, oh, that sounds like a cool thing to put on my face. Hi everyone, it's Kendall here. Excuse the fact that I'm looking very comfortable. It's because I am. Today we are talking about skincare, so I figured, you know, might as well have the whole like look like I just woke up type tease, even though it's like 6 p.m. But I asked you guys on Twitter if you guys would be interested in a skincare haul, because I've been getting more questions than ever about skincare and things that I like, things that I've tried, yada yada yada. So I figured let's do a haul so you know what I'm trying currently. If you're new around here, hello, welcome. It's Kendall. What's up? You'll enjoy it. If you're not new around here, welcome home. Skillet biscuit. We're in a different corner of my recording space, my workspace. This right here is my really poorly set up skincare environment. This will not be here hopefully the next time I record in this area, because I finally got me some like Alex drawers, not actual Alex drawers, because they were trying to charge me $109 for an Alex drawer. I'm like, what? IKEA, girl, Went to Michael's, found them for like $35, by the way. I don't know if they're still on sale, but check it out. And that's gonna be my new skincare holding thing. So yes, hopefully I'll have a really good organized space, so maybe then I can even show you my skincare collection and my makeup collection. We'll talk about it. We'll see. You know, the night's young. A few very short, small announcements before I get started though. One is that I have an upload schedule. Let's talk about this for a second. I've technically had an upload schedule for upwards of 6 months and I just never follow it. So I don't know, I guess it's because like if I set the schedule, I am supposed to administer like the consequences for not following the schedule, but like I just don't. But I've been watching a lot of Jen M, and she's very, very inspiring. Like she's always working really hard and she's always like doing stuff, and I'm like, I want to be that productive. So I'm really high on coffee right now, and I'm like, I'm gonna film like 80 million videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday was my schedule and is my schedule. But now I'm actually gonna follow it. So if you haven't noticed, for the last week or two, we've been really on it, doing like 3 videos a week. So again, if you're new around here, you will see me often if you subscribe. Hopefully that's an incentive for you to subscribe and not like a no, I'd rather not see your more than this one video. So yeah, there's that. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you should be looking around for a video on those days. 2 is that I'm doing a giveaway with Wishtrend. I'm not going to talk a lot about it. I'll just put all the rules down in the description box if you're curious, and I hope you guys join that. It'll be a lot of fun. Bruno the bear looks like he had a good time. He like passed out. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So, like I said, today is a skincare haul. I've gotten quite a bit in my hands in the last week or so. Okay, so since we were talking about Wishtrend, let's start off with Wishtrend. This product I did open and I used one time. This is Klairs. I've been talking a lot about Klairs because I've just been very much so enjoying Klairs. Klairs, Innisfree, the 2 brands that I've been just like going hard for in the last month or 2. Klairs Vitamin E Mask, Klairs Vitamin C Drops. I like the Supple Toner. Innisfree Wild Orchid Cream, it's amazing. Eye cream also amazing. Green tea seed stuff, amazing. Anyway, I'm rambling. This is the Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops Intensive EGF Peptide Treatment. A highly concentrated Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drops adds radiance and luminosity to skin to substantially improve the complexion and stimulates the skin to encourage collagen production. It also accelerates the skin's renewal process, meaning it improves the texture and elasticity of the skin, reducing pigmentation such as age spots, and lessens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Basically, this is for wrinkles, and here's the thing. I had like a quarter life crisis maybe 2 days ago when I thought I saw wrinkles on like the side of my mouth, you know? So I like tore this open, like literally ripped it apart to get it open. I was like, not today! Black will never crack! Took this bad boy and like put it near my mouth. I don't know if it did anything, but it made me feel better. Next we have this, and I'm actually really excited about this. This is by Wishtrend, so this is Wishtrend's brand. Okay. Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prepped Water. It's for all skin types, removes dead skin cells, and smooths dull, rough skin. Basically, I've been watching a whole lot of this esthetician. I don't remember what her name is off the top of my head. Beautiful woman, just gorgeous woman, who basically talks about how physical exfoliants like salts, sugars, or whatever abrasive like rags and stuff are just really bad for the skin. Wow, my posture sucks. And she was suggesting that people get chemical exfoliants. So I'm excited to try this out. I've had a bunch of chemical exfoliants, but I just like tend to give them away because I'm like, well, I have physical ones, but physical ones are apparently really abrasive to the skin and leads to like damaging the skin, and I'm like, oh well, I don't do all this to look worse. So all of the sugar scrubs and stuff that I have, I'm gonna leave those to my elbows and my feet. And then I got 2 items from I'm From, and these are the honey mask and the honey cream. Natural honey, 38.7%, recovers skin vitality and moisture through immediately supplying moisture and nourishment. On the instructions I was reading, it was like keep it on for 10 minutes to an hour. It's like such a big jump. Oh, it smells like toffee. That smells so good. It smells like brown sugar more than it smells like honey though. And it looks like honey. It looks really sticky, which doesn't bother me if it does the job. I've had weird textures on my face at this point when it comes to skincare. It's like nothing really shocks me at this point. Do not store in a fridge or a cold space. That makes sense because there's hella honey in it. Next is the cream. If it doesn't smell like honey, I'm giving it away. It does not, so I'm giving this away. I just have a lot of creams at the moment right now that I'm trying to like go through. So might as well give this to someone who could give a better use in a more timely fashion. So I will be giving this away, put this in the giveaway pile. That isn't the Wishtrend giveaway, by the way. I just realized that. That's my own giveaway, the stuff I'm giving away. That'll be later, at some later date. Follow me on all my social media because I tend to give them away there, so thank you Wishtrend for that. Next is YesStyle. They sent a bunch of stuff, and only half of it came because the other stuff was like stuff that takes a little longer for them to send out. Most of that is makeup, so that wouldn't be in the skincare haul. But they sent a bunch of stuff. They were so sweet. They did not have to do that, so thank you. But one skincare thing I've been really wanting to try for a very long time is some stuff from SK-II. Okay, you know, I've heard like Korean, Japanese, American YouTubers talking about for so long, and it has such a cult following, and I'm like, it's expensive, sis. It's like, what can it do? I don't know. What can it do? Like, I didn't really want to get the big things and end up not liking it. You know what I mean? So I decided to get this tester, which was also like $100. But this is the Pitera's welcome set. Bougie. I took the little like separator thing in there out so you can hear it like jingling. I probably shouldn't do that because it's gonna give me mad anxiety, and if it breaks I'll be very angry. Comes with 3 products. One is the cult favorite facial treatment essence. This is a really big like trial size. It's 75 milliliters. I don't know what that is in ounces, but that's pretty big. Then a relatively small, this is significantly smaller. This is the facial treatment clear lotion, so size comparison like that. And this is 30 ml RNA Power Radical New Age Cream, I guess is what this is. Also a little itty bitty one. I'm really excited that I'm getting more of these like tiny things that I can put in traveling stuff. So this is from Gongjinhyang 4-piece special gift set. This is also like a sample thing. Why are these samples so big? These are so cool. I'm so appreciative of that. But anyway, and it comes in a cute like legit box. How adorable. That's so cute. Again, travel friendly. The essential moisturizing balancer, the essential nourishing emulsion, the anti-aging essence is in this little like tube. This is a cream of some sort, I'm sure. They don't put the name on it. They just straight up didn't put the name on it. They like, you better know who we are, sis. Intensive nutritive cream. Is that a word? Nutrient cream? Nutritive is what they said here. So, okay, so that's what that is. Yesterday, I got a knocking on my door from Glamglow. They actually sent over a super mud clearing treatment, which is one of their very famous mud masks. I actually already own this, so this will also be going in a giveaway. So I'm excited for someone to try that out. They also sent a mini one. I'm keeping this because it's adorable. Like, oh my God, it's so cute. It's so adorable. And then they sent this. I don't know what this is. Super mud clearing treatment. So I don't know if this is for like when you break out. Skin problems, skin imperfections, pore refining, mattifying, clarifying. I don't know what this is. I guess this is another mask, but it's like the super powered version. I don't know. Oh, it comes in a tube. I actually kind of like that. I actually might like that more than it coming in like a pot because I feel like this is a lot more sanitary. It looks and smells a lot like the regular super mud. So I don't know if this is supposed to be like a super powered version one. I don't know what this is. But I'm excited to try it and see if it's any different from the original Super Mud. Innisfree, Innisfree, Innisfree. Okay, Innisfree sent over the Intensive Hydrating Serum Set. This is the green tea one. I really like the green tea line from Innisfree and the Orchid one. Those are my two favorite lines as far as like the scents go, or like the ingredients go. And they sent over the set, so the serum, the cleanser, and the cream. These are two like mini sizes. I really like their foam cleansers too. The olive oil, the olive one, and the green tea one are really, really mild, and I kind of like that, and they don't super dry me out. They sent the serum over. I've had like 8 of these. I just randomly acquire them somehow. I've had like, maybe not 8, maybe 8 is exaggerating, but I've had easily 3. And so I recently just ran out. I think my sister stole it, to be honest with you. And so I was like, okay, I'll keep this one because she stole me. And so yes, I've been really liking this. I find that it's a little too light for nighttime because I like to be like a greasy mess when I go to bed, and if I'm not feeling that, then that's a problem. But it doesn't like obstruct my makeup the way some of my heavier skincare does. Even my favorite things will just like mess up the entire skin day for makeup. So last but not least, Style Korean. So I was talking to their like representative or whatnot, and apparently a bib is supposed to be some big new brand, or not necessarily a big brand, but one that's gaining a little popularity in Korea right now. I'm not in Korea right now, so I don't know. So they said the big up and coming brand. Doesn't everyone call themselves a big up and coming brand? And I somehow got lipstick all over. I don't even know what lipstick this is. I got lipstick all over these products. And I feel so bad because they're just in these very pretty like white packages that makes it all like clean looking. It looks like milk. I guess I'll talk about this product first because I've already opened it and I haven't used it yet, but I thought it sounded really, really interesting. This is the Abib Cosmetic Facial Soap Pink Brick. This soap just sounds really, really cool to me because I was reading the ingredients list on the back and it just sounds very natural and healthy. I don't know why. I think it's because like I understand what the words are. I know what macadamia nut oil is, and rosa flower oil, pink clay, aloe extract, lavender extract, castor seed oil, apricot kernel oil, blueberry fruit extract. You know, it sounds like something to eat. Sounds like a fruit salad. So I was like, oh, that sounds like a cool thing to put on my face. Also, I really appreciate the packaging. There's something like very simplistic. It's like in a paper bag, basically. Then this is the hydration cream from Abib. Abib sounds better. This is the hydration cream. I don't know. I just really like how simplistic their packaging is. It's like really cool. Macadamia seed oil, cocoa something oil, japonica seed oil, something butter. It sounds like food again, but I just don't know these foods. Maybe I should give this away. Should I give this away? I gave away the other cream though. Let me keep this. I'm gonna keep this cream. I'm gonna keep this cream because I don't know. I want to try it. This is the Abib Hypoderma CP1 2GF Serum Cell Repair. Oh wow, that sounds scientific. This meticulously perfected formula helps absorb the EGF and FGF1 into the skin. I don't know what either of those are. While encouraging skin cell regeneration, this serum penetrates deeply to not only reduce wrinkles and slow down aging, but also helps attain a youthful, radiant glow by improving skin tone and texture. Combined with key ingredients, it is designed to moisturize the skin while promoting firmness and elasticity, thus providing a more youthful experience. But I think I'm gonna give this away because I feel like the Klairs thing that I just got sounds very similar. So if you get this in the nearby future, I have not used it. I just took it out the box because I dirtied up the box. Sounds cool though, so whoever gets this, I hope they will enjoy it. But yes, this is gonna go in the giveaway pile. This is the Gummy Sheet Mask Milk Stretcher. Let's just talk for a second. I love anything milk honey related when it comes to skin. I feel like it's something so ancient. So like if anything says milk on it and it's skin related, I've probably used it, or at least wanted to use it. Cow milk, donkey milk, sheep milk, I've used it all, okay? If I could find someone that was willing to sell me their breast milk, I'd probably try that too. TMI? Kind of gross? A little bit. This sounds fun to me. The mask expands and provides a personalized fit for each individual face. With a skin-hugging fit, the mask deeply hydrates your skin, resulting in a more revitalized appearance. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to try this one out. Definitely gonna give you guys an update on Instagram, so be sure to follow me, especially looking at my Instagram stories. I tend to talk about the sheet mask that I'm wearing every day. I try to do 1 pack a day recently, and I feel like that's resulting in my face looking more snatched. If you like this video, be sure to like this video, because apparently that matters these days. Don't forget about the giveaway down in the description box if you want all that information. Follow me on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, both of which are KennieJD. Click on another video. Have a good time. Let's chill out. Let's have a good time. Let's see you around. See you somewhere else. See you again, because I'm actually on a schedule. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.